Hello students, this is Aarti Dwivedi and today I am going to teach you principal focus. As you know, there are two types of spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. One of the very important points of this mirror is the focus. So we are going to see about the focus. So whenever light rays are coming from infinity and they are parallel to this principal axis, then after reflecting at this reflecting surface of concave mirror, after reflection they used to pass from a particular point here. So from here, any number of rays which are coming parallel to principal axis, closer to principal axis, and after reflection they are passing from this particular point. This point is called the principal focus of concave mirror. Here one thing is important, the light rays are meeting, light rays are intersecting. Okay, that is why the light rays are really intersecting, so real. That is why this focus is called real focus. Okay, and this mirror is also called converging mirror, as I have explained in last video also. So why it is called converging mirror, that is also very clear by the diagram. The light rays are parallel but they are converging at a particular point, and that point is called the focus. The distance of this point focus from the pole is called the focal length, and focal length for a concave mirror is focal length f is negative. Okay, yes. Now we are going to see about convex mirror. Here in this convex mirror, that was very easy to understand actually, but convex mirror, this construction, this ray diagram is not that easy. So what you have to keep in mind while drawing a diagram, whenever you draw, first of all this we have drawn, then we draw the principal axis. Okay, then we are drawing the incident rays which are coming and falling on this reflecting surface. That is also not the difficult task. Then you have to select a particular point on the principal axis, and using your scale you have to start one ray here and then you draw it continuously to show the reflected ray. Otherwise, I have an experience of seeing the copies of students. Many a time this particular diagram means hardly 20% students draw it correctly. So focal length of convex mirror is always positive. Why it is positive? Because you know that every distance has to be measured from this pole as per the sign convention. So I will be measuring this in this direction, and the direction of light is also in the same direction, and always whenever the direction of light incident and the direction of measurement from the pole, if they are same, then it remains that particular thing remains positive. So here you can see that the focal length will be measured from this particular point, so it will be considered as positive always. This happens in lenses also. That was all about today. This principal focus, this is virtual focus, and it has the real focus. Thank you everyone.